How to delete YouTube videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete YouTube videos, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to delete YouTube videos, all you have to do is open up the YouTube Studio application, or you can go to studio.youtube.com if you're logging in from your browser. After you do that, simply come to the content tab depending upon which channel you're trying to log into, and then first of all I'll just select a certain video. Let's say here, once I select a certain video, I can simply select that particular video, then I can just tap the edit button from the top of the screen. Now this process is much easier if you're doing from a browser, and from there you can simply go to more options, then you'll find the option called delete from YouTube. So all you have to do is tap on delete from YouTube, and then this particular video will get deleted from YouTube. That's all it takes to delete YouTube videos. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.